part 2 of the Brinly sprayer. Can't believe I never got around to showing y'all. I guess I was too busy just using it. But we've got some problems with bugs this year, so we're going to go ahead. We've got this thing filled up with a solution that's going to take care of, what's it called? Trazicide?
Trazicide.
Trazicide lawn insect killer. So we're just going to spray a couple laps around the house. Because I'm not mowing this year, or not so far this year, the grass is high enough. It's bringing in some of the ticks and other undesirable critters you don't normally want to have anywhere near your house. So got it hooked up. Going to be using that wide part sprayer. You also have the wand here as well. We'll use that for doing some areas right around the house. But Jen's going to hop on and use the riding mower, and I'm going to film it. So let's do this thing. So setting this up is super easy. You know, we plugged it in up front. You've got a switch that controls it on and off. Go ahead and click it. All right, shut it off. All right, that controls the motor. The wiring goes back here. You don't have to have a sleeve hitch to use this. Any riding mower would work with that pin right there. It just goes through. And then the unit itself is almost filled up. And then we have our motor here. And we're going to be using this part here, which I didn't use last year. We didn't spray the yard for anything. We just usually use the wand for treating our fruit trees. So it'll be kind of interesting to check it out and make sure that it works. Let's do it. First of all, I want to say I'm super impressed with the width that this thing sprays. Had to be a 10-foot path that it cuts every time you make a pass. That cuts down on the amount of time it takes to cover a large area with this. All right, so to switch it over to the hand wand, you're just going to turn off these two valves here, and that forces your pressure back up through the main hose here. And this is just hooked in. Unhook that. And the motor for this is, the motor's on demand, so just turn the switch on and you hear it runs momentarily to build pressure, but then shuts itself back off. You're ready to go. All right. So as you can see, it just works really well, especially for someone like me right now that's not able to carry anything or really do anything. Having the ability to tow behind all this weight instead of carrying all this weight is a lifesaver. It works good. It's on demand, doesn't eat up my battery life. I found that this is a very low draw pump. So overall, I'm super happy with it. That's the Brinly Tow Behind Pressure Sprayer, and with both these features available on it, I can't see why you wouldn't want to get one. Take care.